So when we dive in over here, if you want to go back in this video while you're working on this, today's assignment is just filling in using prepositions. And again, prepositions just tell us time, place, position, right? And our lovely song there. So position, direction introduces a prepositional phrase. Common prepositions: across, in, under, beneath, up, to. Those were all in the song. It's just telling us the time, place, or position of that noun. So they've got a lovely word bank here. We've got along, down, across, beyond, underneath, after, and against. And you are going to take these and put them in the sentence so it makes sense. I looked, the hill at many houses below. I would say down because we're talking about below. So just make sure they make sense once you put them in there. So with this one, I'm going to grab my little text box there, chug it in. Ooh, that's kind of close. Down. I looked down the hill at many houses below. Just reread it, make sure it makes sense. You guys are kind of moving fast here, so slow down, make sure things make sense, and if they don't make sense, that's a good time to ask a question. Then it says, write a sentence with each preposition listed. So there were many kids among the classroom, right? Among is within, and then the classroom is your noun. So you're using these three as these three prepositions within a sentence, okay? All right, so once we get that done, then we are moving. Please don't be that kid that only does the first page. Scroll down. You're doing identifying prepositional phrases worksheet as well. And then it says here, circle the preposition, write OP above the object of the preposition. And remember last time we talked about the object being the noun or the pronoun. So noun, which is a person, place, thing. And then the pronouns also it can do. So he, she, him. It's talking about a person without saying their name. All right. So when we are underlining the prepositional phrase, boys and girls, you have to make sure that you have two things included in your underline. You have to have your preposition and you have to have the object. Okay, so the example for this one, my dad was over the hill when he turned 51 years old. So remember, when we're talking about prepositions, time, place, and position. I don't know what just happened. Okay. Prepositions are time, place. See, those songs help. Position. Okay, so my dad was over. Over is a position with on the hill. So over is our preposition, and then we are over what? And then you're thinking, what noun are we talking about? We're over the hill. The hill is the thing that we're talking about. Don't continue underlining the rest of this sentence because that's not a prepositional phrase. It's just the over, which is telling us a position, and then they're telling us what is in that position, which is the hill. All right, I'll do a couple more with you as practice, but if you really don't get this, it would be a good time to go ask your teacher, and then maybe we can do some small groups and do them together, okay? All right, so we walked up the stairs. So again, I'm looking for my preposition first. Time, I've got no time in there. Place, position. Position is up, right? They're going up. What are they going up? They're going up the stairs, okay? That's just the prepositional phrase there. My mom took a walk around the block. So time, place, position. And you guys kind of get confused. I noticed last time on your things, you guys were including the verb. We walked. Walking is a verb. It's not a preposition. It's an action. So don't include that one, okay? So my mom took a walk. You guys automatically go for walk for some reason for the preposition. That's a verb, not a preposition, okay? That's an action. But typically, and I'm going to say this now, typically the preposition is after the action because it's telling us where that action took place. So my mom took a walk. Where did she take it? Around is our preposition, and then the block is the object of that preposition. Okay? I know this one's the worst. I'm sorry I'm making you do it again, but it's really good practice, and I really want to make sure that you guys are asking questions so that we can get a hang of this, okay? I looked. Looked is your verb, right? Because that's doing something. But where did they look? That's our position. They looked under. That's our preposition. And they looked under where? My bed. And bed is a noun, so we know that that's the full prepositional phrase, okay? All right, good luck with this. Please, again, let us know if you need help. That's what we're here for. Okay, good luck with this. If you need anything from us, let us know. And goodbye.